Nice cool morning. Both Sam and I have the vid virus. Carly's recovering upstairs, but still work to be done. First and foremost, for the umpteenth time, I'm going to replace this windshield in the skid steer. Got tired of breaking it out, so I went ahead and splurged and paid extra to get the poly, whatever you call it, windshield that's supposedly shatterproof. So gonna work on cleaning up the old glass out of the hardware, and then we'll put the new one on. This is the rubber gasket that goes around the window. You can see there's broken glass throughout. It'll take me a little while. I'll get it cleaned out, and then we'll get this fitted on the other one. Okay, got the gasket taken apart or cleaned out. Now I need to start cleaning up the mechanism. Lots of various size nuts, washers, screws, you name it. So need a few different tools. So we'll start by taking the wiper off. Definitely want to try to keep it cleaned up as we go along. That way we're not spreading the glass everywhere with my boots. There is a bunch of glass already that came out of what I've torn apart so far. Could use a drill on this by the time I went and got the attachment. Probably already have it done. So these things here are the safety handles in case you ever get stuck, like if the power goes out in the skid steer or when the boom's up and you can't get the doors open or anything like that, really. I usually don't have to worry about that because most likely, well, up till now, I just bust the window out. done this. I think this is my 5th time replacing the windshield. Hopefully it's to last for at least a couple years. Never know though. That's why you wear gloves, my friends. So you don't grab somewhere that there's broken glass. Note to self, wear gloves when you're handling broken glass.
Oh no.
I cut my finger. Oh. Here, take these to Mama.
That's nasty glass too. Looky there. Back in business.
I mean, I should bust them out more often. Look how clean that looks.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I do bust them out about every month. Right?
Yeah. Getting pretty close to that.
Well, it was a great idea to leave this on to install it, for the fact that it prevented it from getting scratched. Except for this back here.
Oh yeah. Looks good. It's so clean, it doesn't even look like there's anything there. You ready to scoop poop?
A little bit.
Your favorite thing to do?
The inside of this out.
Has it ever really been free of glass? There's probably just a little bit of every windshield in there. Like, isn't it impossible to get all that glass out? Or do you use a shop vac? What do you do?
I have used the shop vac many a times. I need to do it before I get busy on something else. Just to give it a clean go.
Yeah.
Clean windshield, clean go.
Mm-hmm.
Boomage.
Okay.
Right? I gotta put this on. I think I'm missing a piece here. Good for now.
Okay.
Okay.
You scare me.
If you're anything like your old man, you better not do that.
Jett. Oh my gosh.
Don't give him the code to start it.
Yeah, for real.